Hello, in this video I want to show you how to enable or disable your AOD always on display for Asus ROG Phone 6. So as you can see right here, I have AOD enabled and I can see something on my screen even though the device is locked. So now to disable it, now we'll need to open settings. Here find the display. Scroll down till you see always on screen, standby screen right here. So to disable it, simply click on this, and now if we lock our device, we won't see the same thing. If you want it back, make sure that it's on. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.